Today we will discuss solution of linear inequality in two variables. That is, we will discuss the solution of the inequality of this form: ax plus by plus c less than equal to 0, ax plus by plus c greater than 0, and ax plus by plus c greater than equal to 0. These all are the forms of linear inequalities in two variables. By a solution of linear inequality in two variables x and y, we mean a pair of values, one for x and other for y, which when substituted in the inequality makes it a true statement. For example, suppose I take the inequality 2x plus 3y less than 6. It is a linear inequality in two variables x and y. Suppose I put x equal to 0 and y equals to 1. I'll get 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1 less than 6. That is, 3 is less than 6. Now, is it true or false? Yes, we know that 3 is less than 6, so it is a true statement. So, when I put x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, I get a true statement. Therefore, by this definition, I conclude that x equal to 0, y equal to 1 is a solution of the inequality, and which is written as 0, 1, the ordered pair 0, 1. That means x is 0, y equal to 1 is a solution of this inequality. Let's take another example. Suppose in this inequality, I put x equal to 1 and y equals to 2. I'll get 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 less than 6. That is 2 plus 6 less than 6. 8 is less than 6. True or false? Yes, it is a false statement because 8 is not less than 6. So, when I put x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in this inequality, I get a false statement. Therefore, I conclude x equal to 1, y equal to 2 is not a solution of this inequality. Now we will discuss graphical solution of linear inequality in two variables. That is, we will learn how to solve a linear inequality in two variables by graphical method. Right? I'll explain the procedure through an example. So let's take up the question. Solve the following inequality graphically. The inequality is 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6. Yes, I need to find out all the values of x and y which when substituted in this inequality makes it a true statement. And I want to find the solution using graphical method. So, what we do? First, we convert this inequality into a statement of equality. That is, I'll replace this sign with equals to sign. So, I'll get 3x plus 2y equals to 6. Now, it is a linear equation in two variables. And yes, you learnt in class 10th that its graph will be a straight line. So first we have to plot the graph of this equation, right? So from here I'll get y equals 6 minus 3x over 2. Now for plotting the graph, I'll obtain three solutions of this equation. Yes, first I put x equals to 0. I'll get y as 3. So first ordered pair is 0, 3, which satisfies this equation, right? Next I put x as 1, so y will be 1.5. So 1 comma 1.5. Next I put x as 2. I'll get y 0. So solution will be 2 comma. So I have obtained 3 solutions of this equation. Now I'll plot these ordered pairs on the graph paper. Yes, this is the Cartesian plane. Mutual perpendicular axis, x-axis and y-axis. This is the point of intersection, the origin. Yes, the first ordered pair was 0, 3. So this is the point 0, 3. Next ordered pair was 1, 1.5. It's 1 and here I'll get 1, 1.5. And next ordered pair was 2, 0 and here I'll get 2, 0. I'll join these points Yes, I get a straight line and this straight line represents 3x plus 2y equals to 6. So I have got a straight line which represents the equation 3x plus 2y equals to 6. Right? Now look here. I need to solve this inequality. 3x plus 2y greater than equal to 6. Right? Now look here. This line has divided this plane in 3 parts. This part, and the line. So, line represents 3x plus 2y equal to 6. One of these parts will represent 3x plus 2y greater than 6 and other part will represent 3x plus 2y less than 6. Now I have to check which part represents which of these inequality. Right? So, what we do? We take a testing point. Any point which does not lie on the line. So this is the line. So I take my testing point as origin, that is 0, 0. Right? Now I put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in the inequality. I'll get 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than equal to 6. That is 0 is greater than equal to 6. Is it true or false? Yes, it is a false statement. Therefore, 0, 0 is not a solution. So therefore, solution region does not contain the testing point, that is 0, 0. Yes, this is our testing point 0, 0 and we have checked that 0, 0 does not satisfy the given inequality. So the half plane, this part, cannot be the solution region of the given inequality. So, solution region will be the region which does not contain this point. So, shading will be done this way. So, this region is the solution region of the inequality 3x plus 2y greater than equal to 6. Yes, please note that 3x plus 2y greater than equal to 6. Here the inequality is not strict. So it means that the points which lie on this line, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 6, are also a part of the solution. So to indicate that, we draw the dark line, right? That means if the inequality is not strict, then in order to indicate the solution region, we draw a dark line. And in case the inequality is strict, which will mean that points on the line are not a part of the solution region, so in that case, we draw a dotted or a broken line. Yes, let's take another question. Solve graphically the inequality 2x plus y strictly less than 4. Yes, first replace this sign of inequality with equals to sign. That is 2x plus y equals to 4. Now this will represent a straight line. So first we will plot the graph of this equation. From here, y will be equal to 4 minus 2x. So I get 3 solutions of this equation. First I'll put x as 0, I'll get y as 4. So first ordered pair is 0, 4. Next I put x as 1, I'll get y as 2. So ordered pair will be 1, 2. Then I put x as 2, I'll get 0. Now I will plot these 3 points on the graph paper to get the graph of this equation. So this is the Cartesian plane. Now I will plot the 3 points on this plane. Yes, the first point was 0, 4. Yes, 0, 4 will lie here. Then next was 1, 2 here. Then 2, 0 here. I join these points. Yes. Now look here. The inequality is strict. That means points lying on this line will not be a part of the solution region. So I'll draw a dotted line, or which we call as a broken line, right? Broken line indicates that the point on this line are not the part of the solution region because inequality is strict, right? Now, I have to decide, or I have to find out which part out of these two, this or this, represents our given inequality. So for that, I take the testing point. Yes, testing point can be any point which does not lie on this line. So I take the testing point as 0, 0. So testing point is 0, 0. So I put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in the given inequality. 0 is less than 4. True or false? It is true. So therefore 0, 0 is a solution. That is, solution region contains the point 0, 0. Therefore, shading is towards the testing point. Right? So, 0, 0 is a solution of the given inequality. That means solution region must contain this point. So, shading should be towards this point. That is our testing point. So this region represents the solution of the given inequality, and dotted line indicates that points on this line are not a part of the solution region.